Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you build a custom audience in Google Ads for your YouTube subscribers? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to build a custom audience for your YouTube subscribers in Google Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty. If you're running an online business, especially if you're doing a YouTube channel, you can make a custom audience for your subscribers. So that way in the future, if you're going to make an offer, you can continue to target them through Google Ads. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to build a custom audience of your YouTube subscribers, in order for this to work, you had to have already connected your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. However, once you've connected your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account, in order to create a custom audience of your subscribers, here on the left, you're going to click on this button here called Tools. Once you do that, you're going to see a few different options, but you want to click on this one here called Shared Library. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Audience Management. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different custom audiences you have in Google Ads. However, to build out a custom audience for only your YouTube subscribers, you're going to click on this blue plus icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on YouTube Users. Okay, so once you do that, you can go ahead and name this segment. So let's go ahead and name, I'm going to connect my YouTube channel for making money, and I'm going to disclose here, it's only subscribers. Okay, next what you're going to do is look down for this section and click on Select a Channel. Once you do that, go ahead and select your YouTube channel. Okay, so once you've selected your YouTube channel, down here in Actions, you want to click on this drop-down menu, and you want to click on Subscribe to the channel. Okay, so once you do that, by default, it's going to say within the past 30 days. For me, I'm going to go ahead and increase that to 540, which is the maximum. So that's about a year and a half. And next, we're going to scroll down and click on this Pre-fill Options. By default, it's automatically going to start filling your custom audience with people who have subscribed to your channel within the past 30 days. You can start with a fresh slate if you want by clicking here, start with an empty segment. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it pre-filled. And next you can add a description. So this is just for your reference. So that way you know what this custom audience is for. So MMO, Anthony, YouTube, subscribers. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and click on continue. All right, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up. You've successfully created a new YouTube user, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, so now you can see I've created a custom audience. It's populating right now. So those are YouTube subscribers for one specific channel so that way in the future, if I have an offer for my subscribers on my YouTube channel, I'm going to be able to easily target them with Google Ads, and that could be in their Gmail, it could be on YouTube, it could be on the display network. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to create a custom audience in your Google Ads for your YouTube subscribers for a specific channel, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.